Meet the Polaroid POP. It's almost the same, but now it automatically prints full-color photos in the classic 3x4 format, with the border. Don't you like that border?
Yep.
Yeah, you do. The POP lets you write captions directly on the photo and print instantly. Just connect to a mobile device and your POP becomes an instant photo printer. Even share on Facebook and Instagram. See? Look how easy that was. Now, time to tackle rush hour. Oh, and no more flapping the photo, waiting for it to appear. It's instant, like that bowl of noodles you're eating. The POP captures 20 megapixel details. Now you can record full HD video or a fun GIF. Your cups of coffee or your wedding day never looked better. Aww. Oh wait, the screen has changed too. So now just use the 4-inch touch LCD to frame and navigate and add emojis and share and... Yep, print. There, you got this. Because some things don't get old, they just get better.
Shoot, share, and print with the all-in-one Minolta Instapix camera and printer. Capture your special moments using the high-resolution 10-megapixel camera. Compose your shot in real time using the digital LCD viewfinder and autofocus. Once you take your shot, review it on the camera screen or your smartphone before you print. Easily connect by Bluetooth and share, edit, or shoot using the free Instapix app for Android and iOS. Once connected, select a pic from your smartphone's library and send it to the camera to print. You can also use your smartphone as a remote shutter so everyone can get into the shot. Perfect for capturing summer memories, sharing special moments, or even snapping tasty food pics. Patented 4-pass printing technology allows you to experience your fondest memories in over 16 million vivid colors using one of the world's smallest all-in-one paper and ink cartridges. Shoot and print photos in under a minute and enjoy advanced digital enhancements with the classic elements of an instant print camera. Instapix by Minolta. Shop now at a Minolta dealer near you.
Back it in, now it's time to begin. We're gonna get it started. We are the children of the rising sun. I've got this feeling we've only just begun. Yeah, the best is yet to come. So take your dreams and run. And watch a new day dawning. It shines on everyone. Yeah, the best is yet to come. The future's burning brighter than the sun. Yeah, the best is yet to come. Yeah, the best is yet to come. Count it down, get ready, get set, let's go. We can do this together. No regrets, take a step, place your bets, and you know that nothing lasts forever. This is your moment. What you waiting for?